A 14-year-old from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh built an AI app that detects heart disease in just 7 seconds using only a smartphone. His name is Siddharth Nangyala, grew up in Anantapur. Today he lives in Frisco, Texas and is already changing healthcare. He developed Circadia, an AI-powered app that analyzes heart sounds recorded through a smartphone microphone, detecting cardiovascular disease in under 7 seconds. The app has been tested on more than 15,000 patients in the US and 700 patients in India, including at Guntur Government General Hospital in Andhra Pradesh. Its accuracy exceeds 96%. The user simply holds the smartphone near their chest. The app records the heartbeat, filters background noise, and uses machine learning to identify irregularities like murmurs or arrhythmias. No hospital, no equipment, just a phone. Siddharth began coding at age 9 and is now the world's youngest AI certified professional, holding certifications from both Oracle and DRM. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan have both publicly applauded his work. He is also developing a brain-controlled prosthetic arm using EEG technology, bringing the cost down from $400,000 to just $300. Heart disease kills 1 in 3 people worldwide. This 14-year-old from Andhra Pradesh decided that was not acceptable. Siddharth Nandyala, remember this name.